Vietnam and Australia are very close friends and partners. We've been that for 50 years. And that relationship of trust and solidarity means that even when there's a disaster, or particularly when there's a disaster, we work together. So when the request came from Vietnam for international assistance to deal with the consequences of Super Typhoon Yagi, Australia responded as quickly as we could. I know Australians were deeply moved by what they saw happening in Vietnam. We pay a lot of attention to what happens in Vietnam. And when a problem like this arises, we want to be able to respond. The fact we were able to respond quickly made us very proud.
The rain and the wind, how it just broke the trees, etc. And it reminded us of some of the natural disasters we had in Switzerland this same summer, over the last 6 months. We have seen mud slides, we have seen our houses and villages completely flooded. We have also had losses of life in the Swiss mountains, where this summer we had really terrible floods and rain. The Swiss government decided to allocate 1 million Swiss francs, that's about $1.2 million, to come to support the Vietnamese government in its own efforts to rebuild these communities and to come to help the vulnerable people, the most vulnerable people.